what's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel. Well, today's a bonus video. That's right. It's not a Sunday. It's not 7:15 at night. It's a bonus video. What's so bonus about it? Well, as you saw in my community tab, I partnered up with Viking Bags. And today's the day I got my Viking bag installed, or delivered, not installed. All right, so let's open it up and take a see what they sent. All right. We have installation instructions.
That will not be read.
Yeah, exactly. I tell you, it's boxed nice. It's in a nice box. It comes in a plastic bag.
That looks nice.
Okay, yeah, looks good. Let's see. This is not a toy.
Oh, come on, I want to put it on my head later. Okay.
But this is a nice little bag that goes over the sissy bar, but I plan on putting it on top of the luggage rack on my tour pack. So it's got, let's take a look at the compartments. We'll start here at the top. It's got a nice little zipper compartment right here to drop in sunglasses or small things in here. Right here with a snap. It's got a nice little pocket. I guess you could put wallet, keys, small things in there, which is nice. Nice little snap right there, easy to get to. Another nice little bag here on the side, in the front. More tissue paper to put other small things like your cell phone holder, things like that. On the side, there's a little pocket here. I guess you could put water bottles or things like that. And this unzips to expand, believe it or not. And it's a zipper within a zipper.
Ooh, it's like nesting zippers.
That's it, nesting zippers. And more tissue paper.
They gotta do that.
You never know when you need tissue paper on the road. So,
Wrong kind.
yes.
You don't want to use that.
But that's kind of cool how it expands.
That is cool.
And this is canvas, guys. On the other side, again, another water bottle holder or something to put in there.
Probably expands too.
Yep, let's see, does it expand? Yes, it does. So, and it's a zipper within a zipper with more tissues. Lots of tissues, guys. That's kind of cool. I'm looking forward to using this for our adventures that my wife and I take going down the road. On the back here, this is the pocket that will go over a sissy bar. And these are snaps to hold it all together. But I'll show you how easy this is. These are rods that will make it tight onto your sissy bar. So if you take this, you can slap it on over your sissy bar. Get it over. All right, that goes down there like that. Then you take these rods, and I'm going to put them on the smallest loop. All right, this goes around here like this, and then into a little pocket. And that goes there just like that. Now you take this other rod. Again, I'm going on the smallest one, I think. First time I'm installing this, so this goes, nope, we're gonna have to go to the next size. Yeah, this one gotta go to the next size. Like I said, first time I'm installing this, so we're trying to figure this out. So let's go to the next size. All the way down. And now this one wants to go to the small side. So I probably could have left that one alone. Okay. Now let me come around to this side. Ah, there we go. Get it lined up. Push it in, and it snaps right in. So there you have it, guys. And you know, you got these top snaps that will snap it together, but take a look at it from the back. Doesn't block the license plate or anything like that. Now what everybody's wondering, what's the inside look like? Well, let's open it up since it's here.
Oh,
look at this. It's a nesting bag that this actually goes on the top. And on the inside, there's a couple pockets. What's this zipper for? Ah, I guess to hide money or something. I don't know. That's kind of cool to take that out. There's this nice little meshed area. And what's inside of this? So let's close this up. This is actually really cool.
it is.
Thank you, Viking Bags. I appreciate this as a new channel partner. So it's a tube. And inside, oh, this is cool. This is like a rain sock that goes over it, so it's weather tight. It has a shoulder strap so you could carry it easier. There's some more straps so you could strap it down. And another shoulder strap. So, and you got additional storage on the inside. That's pretty cool. When thank you, Viking Bags. I appreciate it. We will definitely use this when we go to Gettysburg, when we go to Ocean City. That is pretty awesome. So these straps, let's see, let's take out all the adjustment. This one will go here. Oh, look at that. That'll snap there, and then the other side. And what I would do is I would put the strap in just like that. Let's get this side done. So we all get a full again, I'll take that strap, tuck it up in there. Now on this back side, tighten this up. What do you think, honey?
That's really cool.
Think we'll get a lot of use out of this?
Yeah, I think so. It's really cool. I like it. I didn't expect that tube to be inside.
Oh, I did.
Oh, I didn't know that.
So, picture this. Now we could take the Softail on a weekend trip, or we can add this to the top of our tour pack for additional storage, because believe it or not, with both saddlebags and the tour pack going away for 4 nights, 5 days, we were running out of room with clothes and boots and rain gear and, you know, the camera equipment, everything that I bring with me to go on these road trips. Now we have something like this that I could put it on the Softail. I could use it on the bagger with the tour pack, or I could just put it over the back of that sissy bar so I don't have to have the big tour pack if not needed. That's pretty cool. So guys, if you want your own sissy bar bag or bags from Viking Bags, I'm going to put a link down in the description and right here on the screen, bang, vikingbags.com. All right, guys, until the next one, you guys live the best life you can. Ride often and ride hard.
Like and subscribe.